Thanks for clicking in. Today we're going to discuss OneScreen Annotate. Now OneScreen Annotate is the high-powered interactive whiteboarding software that accompanies the OneScreen products. Now what this allows you to do is all of your interactive whiteboarding, presentation enhancement, brainstorming, flowcharting applications that you're going to want to do with your interactive whiteboard. Now at this point I have the ability to draw on anything and everything that's on my computer. Just by clicking on my annotation tool, this now puts me into a position where I can draw on this website as an example. It doesn't matter if it's a PowerPoint, a website, a YouTube video, an Excel sheet, anything of that nature I can actually draw on. And not only that, I have the addition to be able to choose from a ton of different colors just by going to my flywheel down here. I have the ability to choose different pen styles, highlighters for instance, and I can change the thickness of pen, etc. This gives me a lot of capability in terms of doing my enhancement on anything that I want to draw on. Now I can tangent over into my whiteboarding session just to show off a couple of the standard pens. Again, I can do this with my finger or the dummy pen that it comes with. This is my normal pen. Anything that I draw in my normal pen is just going to stay as is. This is nice for your standard application of whiteboarding. I do also have an intelligent pen. My intelligent pen allows me to draw particular shapes and have it stay in that nice clean shape. This is great for flow charting or in doing any other enhancement to a document otherwise. I have a text pen. As you can imagine, as I draw something in my handwriting, it's going to automatically pop into text, which I can change color, font style, size, etc. after the fact. And I'm going to show off my dual pen real quick. This gives me the ability to have multiple people at this screen, and just to prove the point as well that this is a 10 touch screen, if I were to drag my 10 fingers on this screen, I now have 10 points of touch there for that particular pen application. Now everything that you do on this screen when you're annotating is automatically going to be saved. I now have a page list, and that's going to then allow me to PDF these applications, PNG, JPEG, bitmap, PPT, etc. And then once I get into that image file format, I can of course email that, archive it to the network, leave it on this computer, etc. I can even save directly into this file format software, which then allows me to come back to these images and actually edit them moving forward. We kind of call that the living document application. Now another interesting tool here is our gallery. This is where you have the ability to search for images via Google image search. And now I just typed in the word OneScreen, it now brings in an image of the OneScreen product, which I can then of course have the ability to resize. I can erase from it. I can draw on it additionally. If I wanted to get rid of the cart as an example, I can do so just by choosing my erasing feature, and then I maybe want to make a note here and say, all right, here's the OneScreen OS, etc. So you have the ability to then make adjustments to that. Now you also have some other specialized tools built in here, which are going to be the ability to record anything that's going on the screen. You have the ability to crop images from anything from websites to PowerPoints and bring it into the software. And even this software toolbar is extremely customizable with where you put your pins, which tools you put on there, etc. So thanks so much for joining us today. We'll catch you next time.